did it. We're here. We made it to the big times. Got me a jacket and some shirts and saw a Brodozer. And this is pretty cool. Kind of sucks they weren't there, but they're in Florida. So no seeing them. What's up, Utah? This is where I am at right now. I'm in Utah. I'm at Marshall's. Somewhere in something mountain. I can't think of what the thing's called. But yeah, the Terrence shopping center or whatever it's called. But anyways, we're here. So I kind of wanted to do, since I'm kind of bored, I might as well make, a video about my interior because I showed you the outside. And so I kind of just want to show you what's going on in here. Let's see, where do we start? Let's get this started, literally. Okay, so far, no issues up here. Only issue that I want is to do, and I have a future thing, is I'm gonna do my steering wheel thingy, because I should have done it, but I was cheating cheap and I don't want to spend the money. I don't know if I told you that or whatever, but yeah, it's kind of would be super nice to have these work. Obviously my DIC things work. I got my truck tuned by Brent at PowerTech last week, and we're kind of going through some little bit of issues, as you saw in my last video. But other than that, I've actually gained 100 miles per tank now, which is crazy how much tuning changes everything. I do need to change these two. I need to do this in blue and this in blue. These lights are all out. I need to do all this in blue, and then I need to do my door lights and everything. I got trailer brake, and this is where my, as you remember my EFI Live when I installed it, the video, it's down there, it's in the air. I have my remote controls. It's just double-sided Velcro, so you can just put it up there and it's out of the way. Same thing with my Op 7 lights, it's right there. Everything's there, as you can see. Everything works. Little rev, boost gauge, everything's there. I get people who ask me about this all the time too. Is how I installed my radar detector. I just like it because it's cleaner, it's nicer, it's not a pigtail plug-in right there. So this is all free. All I did was hardwire into my truck, so then I just ran the wire from here up there into here and into the fuse box, just to add a fuse. And then yesterday I actually got, before I left, I got a mob armor thing. I'll make another video about that in a minute. Yeah, nothing up there. I still need to change these boring gross lights, the LEDs. I have some in my door, which is kind of cool. They're blue. And yeah, nothing's really in the back. What's super annoying too with that Bose adapter thing or whatever for the stereo is that, don't mind the coupons, is that if you push these, the little switches right there, like my kids do it all the time, and what happens is it turns the back speakers off and only puts them toward the front, and it sounds like, oh, it's so annoying. They mess around with it all the time. It's dumb. And then I gotta get some WeatherTech mats because these ones are lame in stock. Yeah, everything else works. I haven't had any issues. And also another update on my what's it called? My what's it called? Shit, what am I doing? I'm failing. Kill mat, my Dynamat kill mat stuff. It is amazing. It helps out. Also, but with the tuning, it changed the tones and the exhaust and everything. And I made it all the way here in a 3-hour trip and was never annoyed or anything. It was so nice. So that plus the tuning, it was pretty much driving like a Cadillac. It's super quiet. Optimus Prime right there, just chilling. And yeah, I just need to get some more speakers for my doors, and then another amp That's what I want to do, is get another amp for the doors. Subs are amazing, like always. They're freaking baller. 5% tint, Rikki Diesel, Instagram, YouTube. 5% all tint all the way around. 30%, or not 30%, 50% on the windshield. 5% sun strip, so that's like really dark up there. Yeah, any other questions, let me know. That's the interior, so nothing's too special. Just got the blue LEDs, blue gauges, lights, my edge monitor, which is the pillar pod adapter, and yeah, and then a Pioneer, where's it at, right there, 4800 BS. Yeah, 4800 BS. It's cool. You can go like that, we can go like this, and then it goes up there, and then I gotta do is go like this, put it back in, all the works. You can watch movies, blah blah, but only too if you have, this is an older model. So if you are wanting to do this, you have to buy an older model, and you have to have an older iPod. That's the only way you can watch movies, to clarify. Yeah, but I mean, other than that, it's clean. It's pretty much stock and dirty right now. There's nothing there. Yeah, trailer brake. That's pretty much it. So yeah, pretty clean interior. But yeah, stay tuned.